Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today learn lecture 5. Lecture 5 is a start in SolidWorks 2016. SolidWorks new version is a start 2016 use, and at first is today's start is line. SolidWorks all commands learn easily. At first 2D all 2D design in SolidWorks one by one discuss here, and complete 2D design at first 3D design 3D command is learn one by one. At first all 2D design in 2D commands in SolidWorks one by one learn and discuss clearly. Explain all these points deeply and clearly. Guys, don't forget my channel, subscribe and like and share. Okay guys, today start a line. Okay, this is a graphic area. This is a graphic area in SolidWorks. At first all name is discussed here, and all name next previous lecture, next lecture 1 to 4, lecture 1 to 4 is all SolidWorks basic point discuss, and lecture 5 is at first select a 2D command is line. Then today learn a line command. At first select a plane. Plane is front plane, top plane and right plane. Any plane is choose. At first select a front plane and select a line. Okay, this is a select a line. Line option is 3. Line option is 3. At first line, center line and midpoint line. At first select a click here line and draw any line. Okay, this is a any angle 135. This is a 180 degree angle, and some angle is clear. Okay, at first this is a line, and select here and a curve. Okay, not curve, at select a line. Okay, next click here line, this click here and select here and perpendicular line 90 degree angle, and select this point. Okay, this is a line is select here, and some discuss point, some point is see here. Ask a sketch line, horizontal, vertical, angle. Okay guys, this is a line, and select any angle, and this is a, and this point is select click, right click. Okay, this point is remove. Okay, this point is remove, then right click and select point is click here. Okay, remove this connection, and next point is center point. Same center point is okay, this point and this point is click and right click and select. Okay, and some this point click here, and some relation is so here is horizontal. Okay, horizontal, this is a vertical, this point is a this relation is vertical, click here. Okay, this is a vertical point. So all this is a this point is already horizontal, because this green color is a line is so here a relation horizontal line, and this is a vertical line, this green line is so here, and so vertical line. This is this 2 point green color point, this point and this point is a relation. Okay, this point is click here and not a horizontal, but select a horizontal, this point is horizontal. This point is not so any relation, but select and horizontal, this is a horizontal point and so here relation. Last point is a midpoint line. Midpoint line is a this point is click and select a midpoint line, midpoint and both side line increase and decrease. Okay, this select point and this is a point, and this point is remove this connection, right click and select. Okay, this is a line and select a midpoint line and select any relation is horizontal. Okay, this midpoint, this two relation 2 point discuss here. First is a midpoint relation and second is a horizontal relation. All 2 point green color, this green color is a horizontal line, this horizontal relation, a relation horizontal line relation, and this horizontal, this green color is midpoint relation. Okay guys, okay, today all discuss here, and lecture 5 line is clear, and next lecture is rectangle. Next lecture is 5 and 5 is discuss rectangle. Okay guys, thank you.